Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your account meets Roblox voice chat prerequisites, verified email, phone, and age verification. Open Roblox on your target device and sign in. Once done, open settings and enable any camera permissions so you can scan or present a QR code. You'll need the device that will receive voice chat ready and nearby. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network, because the QR flow and verification upload require a reliable connection to complete quick. Next, navigate to Privacy and locate the voice chat section to generate the QR code. You'll see a scannable image. Pick up the second device and scan it with its camera. You should allow camera access when prompted, and then follow the on-screen verification prompts. This may include uploading a photo ID or taking a selfie for face match. Once you confirm your age and accept the voice chat terms, Roblox will process the verification. This step links your account to voice chat capability. Finally, wait for the confirmation that voice chat is enabled. This arrives in-app or by email. Then open Roblox, go to Privacy, and toggle voice chat on. Make sure your microphone permissions are enabled in your device settings and Roblox has access. Once enabled, join a supported game and test voice in a private server. If the QR verification fails, try the troubleshooting tip. Retry the QR process on a different Wi-Fi network or clear the app cache, which often resolves permission or upload issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.